right? Sky is the limit type thing, right? So you can kind of look at like all these different quotes, the way to kind of make them look clear, see which one you really like, choose one, and then boom, you're good. So there's ways to be able to improve all of that. Okay. So again, I would say a little bit of focus there. I'm not a fan of these cut off photos, but I'm not quite sure what's going on. Day 7 of 100. He's just thinking, deep in thought. I think the photos are probably the main thing I would increase because this stuff looks good. Good stuff. Who's lost money in crypto? So he's sharing somebody else's post, but I'm not against it, but I do feel like if you're trying to be a content creator, you should probably spend more time creating your own content. All right. Other people's content I like. I'm always a fan of this kind of stuff. So this kind of stuff, you guys may not understand why I'm a fan of it, but he posted it himself. So I'm a fan that he posted this himself. That's the thing I'm a fan of, is that he's not sharing somebody else's. Now he just copied it, and I like that. And it's like it's enough that might get people to look at it. But you could always create your own. So another thing you guys should be thinking of is, man, I'm looking for some content ideas.